staying in States Room 8240, which is a part of the Havana Suites and States Room. Got this for being a gold member. Awesome. Look at the door, so cute. Alright, let's go inside. So, this is the inside of the cabin. Let's put our key in here. That controls the lights. Have a thermostat, different lights. Storage is over here. We have a safe, and look at these little cute shelves. Got two of those. Oh, I think this comes out too. It does. Look at that. So you have one closet. And then you have two closets, which is great. So we have two closets. I'll let Lanika pick which one she wants. We also have our robes, because we're so fancy. We have our robes, a mirror, which is great. It's nice. Turn around, because it's really tight over here. Oh, what? Okay, so we can't go in here. Alrighty, got a mirror. Have a cooler down there. Some more storage, extra towels for the pool. Look at the backdrop, is cute. Nice light. Very crisp and clean. The only thing I can say is the room is very small, y'all. Like, very small. To the point, I'm sitting here and I can touch the other bed with my foot. So that's the only thing. But other than that, it's clean, it's nice, it's new, it's fresh. Now the bathroom. Look at this nice bathroom. It's small, but it's so cute. And I love the shower. Look at this. Now that's cute. They did a good job. Handheld. Look at that. So you guys, this is cute. Shelving, toilet, mirror, towel racks. This is nice. All right, well, that completes the tour of States Room 8240. Thank you.